So OLS is nothing but ordinary least square. Okay. So ordinary least square is also the technique of regression. Okay. Ordinary least square is a statistical technique of least, or can say finding or building your linear regression model. Okay. And mostly we use OLS for feature selection. Okay. We can perform backward elimination with OLS, and also we can perform forward selection with OLS also. Okay. So OLS is also the technique of fitting your model. Okay. So as the name suggests, ordinary least square. So least means minimum, correct? And square means error, your error of squares. So ordinary least square is a technique works on the principle of minimizing your error. Mean squared error is a cost function or loss function of linear regression. Okay. So this method try to fit the model or try to find the best fit line by keeping your MSE as less as possible. So OLS is a general technique for estimating the parameter. Okay. So mostly OLS used for estimating your parameters. Now again comes the term parameters. So what are the parameters of linear regression? Slope and intercept. So this method works on finding the best slope and best intercept for your model. Correct? And we can also say in the sklearn linear regression, the linear regression present in sklearn library, we have imported from linear model, correct? So on the back end of this linear regression, this technique is works. In linear regression of sklearn, we have import this model. How we can import from sklearn.linear model, import linear regression. So on the back end or in the back end of this linear regression, this technique works for fitting or for finding the best parameter. Okay. So you can say ordinary least square is a technique, or can say the method of estimating best parameters, and parameters will be slope and intercept. And when you got a best slope and intercept, your line will be best fit line. Correct. Overall, the main goal of our model or building model is to find the best fit line. And when your line will be best fit, when your slopes and intercept will be proper, and when your line will be best fit line, your prediction will be accurate and your error will be less. All these terms are interconnected. Okay. Then OLS regression aims to minimize sum of square difference between observed and predicted value. Same OLS method estimate your best slope and intercept so that your errors will get minimum and your error is MSE. So overall the same thing is happening here also. OLS technique will try to find the best slope and best intercept, and when we got your best slope and intercept, your error will be minimum. Correct. And we can use OLS technique in both way, with similar or can say simple linear regression or multiple linear regression. This diagram is a diagram of simple linear regression. Okay. And in this diagram, the complete simple linear regression is involved. Okay. Can you see this line? Black line, correct? So this is your best fit line. Let's say your line of regression. Okay. Then the point where this line cut the y-axis is called as intercept, or can say y-intercept. Then this point, the blue points are your actual points, and the straight line starts from this blue point and cut the regression line is your predicted points. So the difference between those points is what we called residual or error, and mean of all these error is what we call as MSE, or can say mean squared error. Okay. So equation of line is a plus bx, or can say mx plus c, or beta 0 plus b1 of x. Okay. So this technique minimize your error, or can say these residuals. These techniques try to find the line which is passed through the maximum number of data points present in your data set. So this error, these residual can be reduced by using OLS technique. And same is happening in also linear regression, the default linear regression present in scikit-learn library. Okay. So this method is also there for linear regression and multiple linear regression. Implementation is easy for this method.